Yeah. I know we top shot. Cut. Got the moves like a car. Like a good shit. Shout out for shit. Shout out famous scrum. Hey, no count. Shout out famous scrum. Shout out famous scrum. Shout out famous scrum. Shout out shit on politics. Shit, that's the realities. I get a nigga rock. I get a nigga clock.
Used to ride on the bus, now I want me a help. We whipping up dope and you know we gon' sell that. I put down the clock and I want me a kill. Put the weed in the bag, you know we gon' seal that. I gamble in life, I call it casino. I'm killing these niggas that calling me clean. I'm in the water, they calling me clean. I'm looking for ops like I was a shot. Put him in the shit bag like he was a top. Put tap on his mouth so he won't holler. Down the block with some shotters, they be ready to step. Opposition's calling no police, but it's never gon' help. Catch a body, don't you tell nobody, keep that shit to yourself. I promote the violence, I be sliding till it ain't no one left. Feds want me on live today, so I'm running from the cops today. I pull up, then park the range, should've saw my ex-face. Bitch niggas, they tired of me, I know my mama proud of me. And if a fuck nigga get wrong, then it's gon' be a robbery. I keep a chopstick, but I'm not Chinese. Shot a nigga in his knuckles, he thought I was fighting. And put a bullet in his mouth, have him bullet biting. And I'm a fool with this tool, so you know I'm frightening. They say the chopper on the loose, so a nigga better catch me. Bitch, I spotted me a op, so you know I'm body catch. He thought a nigga